So you said inbound traffic is one of the best converting leads, or what it has the best conversations with. Can you give me an example of where that inbound traffic is coming from, and then how someone would use it or how the bot interacts?
Yeah, absolutely. One of my biggest users, Gym Launch, they run ads for a 6-week transformation challenge on Facebook. People engage with the ad saying they're interested, and the bot kicks in to determine what made them interested, what they're dealing with. Is it diet? Is it motivation? Is it exercise? And then how long they've been dealing with that issue. And then whether they're open to making a big change to see an improvement, collects all that information, then schedules them for an appointment.
So most of this is inbound leads from social media where someone's running a larger campaign and the bot pre-qualifies them and just kind of does some of that sifting, automatically. Whereas in the past, because I've been doing sales for 20 plus years, we were moving all that earth ourselves.
Right, exactly.
And we were missing all the ones that came in at 7 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night, 6:30 in the morning before people were there.
Yeah, and if you're not there, they just go somewhere else.
Bingo. Because they want to
now.
know. Yes. What do you see as like the next evolution of your product? Like, where do you see it going next? And we're talking like in an ideal world, everything works perfect. What happens next?
We're actively building version 2 right now. I don't know if I told you that, but have you used like Pabbly or Zapier before?
I've used Zapier, yeah.
Okay. It'll be like that, where you can tie it into hundreds of different integrations. And let's say you are that gym, and when they give their exercise or their reason for reaching out, you want it to go on a separate path and maybe create a Stripe customer for them or do some other action stuff based, this whole flow of interactions. That's where we're building the ability to build a conversational script for your AI.
Okay, so we need to dumb that down for me for 2 seconds here. And I want to make sure everyone's getting this too. So the idea very simply is we're running it through one of the objectives. After it gets to one of the objectives, based on how it answered one of the objectives, it then goes into some type of an automated workflow that then goes and filters it again to whatever it may be, to a Slack channel, to an email, to a landing page, to a phone call, something of that nature.
Right. Let's take real estate, for example. If you had an objective to determine their timeline, and then you wanted it, so if they said less than a month, you wanted it to pull the property value and then start to negotiate a price at that time based on the property value it pulled with the action. Otherwise, if they said something more than a month, have it interact in a way that's trying to secure it as a listing.
Got it.
That sort of thing.
So when's toy number 2 or version 2 going to be done?
Early Q4.
Early Q4 of this year?
Yeah.